2022, beginning of yet another new year. That has kick-started with several money changes, which in turn is going to impact your wealth. Halabol decodes each one for our viewers. Cash withdrawal from the ATM gets more expensive. Customers have to pay Rs 21 plus taxes to withdraw cash for ATM transactions once the limit exceeds. Get ready to pay more, and thanks to the GST related changes that kicked off since 1st January 2022. With the new year, a lot of things have changed in the way people shop online or commute on a day-to-day basis. These changes have come into effect under the new Goods and Service Tax (GST) rule from 1st January 2022. Under the new rule, Ola and Uber auto rides and more have got highly expensive. Online transportation services have become a part and parcel of life these days, especially during the tough times of COVID when people avoid using public transport. As per the new GST guidelines, auto rides offered via an online platform will be taxable by a 5% rate that came into effect from 1st January. Moreover, the food delivery applications such as Swiggy, Zomato and others will need to mandatorily collect and submit GST with the government on restaurant services offered via the platform. Notably, this will not impact the end consumers by any means. On the recommendations of the GST Council, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) announced that the GST rate on garments, textiles and footwear would be raised from 5% to 12% with effect from January 1st. The textile and handloom industries are already suffering from the effects of COVID pandemic, and any proposal to raise the tax would be a death knell for the industry. The possible impacts: this would affect 85% of the industry and roughly 80% of final products. Over 15 lakh jobs in main ancillary units would be lost as a result of the planned GST increase. Because of the unorganized sector accounts for over 80% of fabric production in the country, raising the GST on fabrics to 12% will hurt powerloom and handloom weavers. Due to extraordinary price increases in raw materials like yarn, packing materials, and freight, the market is likely to experience a 15 to 20% price increase in clothing in the near future. Cloth traders claimed trading activity has been hampered for the previous 2 years by COVID-19 pandemic, but it's progressively improving due to a decrease in new illness in recent weeks. They had good hopes coming with the year 2022, but the same was shattered with the new AWAB announcement. The industry clearly expresses dissatisfaction with the higher GST rates on textiles and clothing. Bureau Report, Halabol.